Did you know one of the control modules in your F-150 can read the signal from your key fob and tell you when its battery's getting weak? If you get this message, it's time to change the battery, and here's how you do it. Before buying the battery, open up the fob and check. I have a 2015 XLT and it takes the CR2032 battery, but some newer models take the CR2450 and can vary between trim models of the same year, so check first. I picked up a pack of 4 off Amazon for about $5, link in description. On this F-150 key fob, once you flip out the key blade, you'll notice a small notch on the same side as the Ford logo. That's the spot we need to use to open it. To do that, you just need to get something in that notch and gently pry the key fob apart. I'm using a flathead screwdriver here, the tip fits in perfectly. The better tool would be a plastic pry tool. I'd avoid using anything sharp like a knife as it could damage the plastic, but if that's all you've got, I'm sure it'd work fine. Use the same tool to pop out the old battery. Then when installing the new battery, be sure to seat the bottom end first, then press to snap it into place. With the battery installed, we can now attach the cover. Same process as with the battery, seat the bottom end, then press firmly on each side until you hear it snap into place. And that is how you change the battery in a Ford F-150 key fob. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and think about subscribing.